Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilas. Returning to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. To be honest, I had no plans of making any videos till 1st of January 2026 New Year, because after the second week of December, okay, the trading activity reduces, the volatility and volume drops in the market. Market again starts trading normally after first week of January. But since last year, okay, things have changed. If you have been trading for 5 years, 6 years, then you must have noticed this change very well, because I have noticed, okay, and many people, okay, have also noticed the same thing. Because earlier, okay, market used to be flat. There used to be no volume, okay, and it used to be very boring. But yesterday when I saw this market, okay, I was really surprised. And last year also I got a surprise, okay, but this year it confirmed that things are changing drastically in trading. And what is the reason? The reason are the algos. Earlier, the institutional level trading was all done by the human beings like us. Okay, there used to be a floor of traders where they used to place trades. There used to be an account manager. But nowadays, okay, everything has been automated, and instead of humans, okay, algos, super powerful algos are placing orders. So maybe the office is in holiday mode, but the algos are running, and maybe this is the reason, okay, we are seeing trading activity in this particular time as well. So things look pretty normal, and that's why last year also, this year also, okay, we can see the change here, and maybe in the coming years also, okay, we will see more changes. Personally, I feel that manual trading is going to be much more complex, okay, in the coming years. Let's see. Okay. Anyways, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and yesterday we saw gold making a high of 4550. Yes, gold is flying. If you have been watching my videos, okay, then you must be bullish on gold, because we can see that gold is bullish, and gold is, yeah, I won't say heading towards 4600, because sky is the limit. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position, because we can clearly see the market is in bullish mode. Okay, so just hold your buy position, but do not forget to trail your stop losses. For example, if you have a buy going on from 4300, okay, you need to put your stop loss below 4500. Okay, because if there is a sudden trend reversal or trend change, okay, you should not be losing the whole profit. Okay, so please trail your stop loss, do not forget it. And why I'm talking about trend reversal or trend change, because if you look at the daily chart of gold, you can see gold is trading at the top right now, and this move is not healthy. But we have seen many unhealthy moves on gold. Okay, we have seen that, okay, gold, okay, goes up continuously without any proper retracement earlier also. So nobody knows, okay, what will happen on gold. Maybe 5000 is the next target for gold, but yes, there will be some dips, okay, in between. So please be careful. Again, obviously, a retracement is due in the market, but when the retracement is going to come, nobody knows. Maybe we need a big fundamental reason that will bring a trend reversal. But as of now, while recording the video, we do not have any strong fundamental reason that will bring a trend reversal. So till then, we need to be bullish. We need to follow the trend of the market. For example, if things change next week, then obviously we also need to shift towards selling. But as of now, we need to be on the buy side only. It is safer for us, especially if you're a swing trader or a positional trader. And this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. On the hourly chart, we can just see the market is bullish. More or less, the market is forming higher highs and higher lows. So more or less, okay, we can see that, okay, this market is bullish. Okay, that's it. Okay, no clear trading opportunities. But if we switch to the 15 minutes trading opportunities, then as a day trader, we can find some trades here. I won't say that these trades are extremely reliable, okay, because in this particular phase of the market, means during Christmas and New Year, okay, you need to be careful, because the volume is low in comparison to the rest of the year. And when volume is low, okay, either the market will be flat or there will be unexpected spikes in the market that do not have any logic, because it becomes easier to manipulate. Okay, so be careful. So where are we trading opportunities? And as I said, okay, if you have any buy, hold your buy position. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, you can look for buy at dip. You can see I have drawn a trend line here. To be honest, okay, I'm not a big fan of trend lines here. Okay, but still, if you find market taking support around this trend line around 4520, you can look for a buy position. But is it reliable? No. As I said, I'm not a fan of trend lines. Personally, I'm also not going to trade on trend lines. But yes, I will be looking for buying around 4500 to 4495. Okay, you can see the first dotted line here. It is the first level where you can look for a buy position if market comes down for retracement. The second level where you can look for buy is around 4487. So these are the two levels. Personally, I feel yes, we can look for a buy position as a day trader if market comes down after the market opening. Okay, because 4500, 4495, 4500 is a round number psychological support, so we can expect okay, a bounce, and we are expecting 4487 because market has taken support around this area previously. And you can see, or we also have FIBO 50% retracement level. For the last couple of months, FIBO is not working perfectly, but here, okay, FIBO works. So we are expecting FIBO to work again around 4500. And also, we have the psychological support as well. So if market comes down after the market opening, these are the two levels we can look for a buy position. But if the volume is very low, okay, if the volume is very low, then you can also look for support around 4512 4513. How much you can expect? 40-50 pips is also good enough. Okay, keep in mind, okay, this is not a market. Okay, this is not a normal market. Okay, so do not have extreme high expectations. Okay, trading will be normal again after the first week of January. So these are the two levels where you can look for buy position. Keep in mind, if market takes support, then only buy. Do not buy blindly. Okay, it's about your hard-earned money. Do not gamble. We are traders. So 4495, 4500, then 4487. Okay. And if volume is very low, then we can look for buy around the trend line or around 451213. Okay. So these are the trading opportunities if market comes down. If market goes up, then yes, we can look for a buy above 4536 or 37. Okay, but keep in mind, okay, okay, we need a good breakout. See here, you can see market has formed a minor level here, minor resistance, but is this a resistance? No. Okay, but still, as a day trader, okay, if market goes up, we can look for a buy position. Why are we discussing about this minor breakout? Because market is forming higher lows here. The formation of higher lows would indicate that yes, we have a possibility that okay, at least we can expect an upside of say 60 to 70 pips here. So if market breaks 4537 at the market opening, we can look for a small breakout as well. Are we expecting gold to go above 4550? As of now, no. But yes, next week there is a high chance that market will be going above 4550 because the trend of the market is bullish. We do not have any strong fundamental reason also to consider a trend reversal. If any selling opportunity comes also, that will be temporary. For example, this particular move of the market, it came down. Why? Because it was a psychological resistance. That's why market came down temporarily. So yes, around 4550 as a day trader, you may find some selling opportunity temporarily, but eventually market should be going above 4550. But as a day trader, we can look for a breakout above 4537. See, the logic is simple. If a market is bullish, there is a fundamental reason. If a market is bearish, there is a fundamental reason. Okay. If a market is coming down or going down without any fundamental reason, it is a temporary. If a market is going up without any fundamental reason, then it is a temporary move. Okay. Nothing happens okay without any reason in market. Okay, that is a reality. And my difference, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, especially if you're from India, then you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets. Vantage is a global brand, one of the most trusted brand in the whole world. They have more than 5 million registered users. They have more than 1000 plus products. So feel free to open your account with Vantage Markets if you are looking for a reliable, safe trading platform to trade from India and also globally. And if you join with our referral, you will also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. So feel free to check out Vantage Market and do open your trading account with Vantage through our referral so that you can be a part of our WhatsApp group.